We are just about to drive through the refuge again this morning, and so far I'm seeing tons of birds out. So. Let's see, Northern Harrier, American Kestrel, Gambel's Quail, Western Diamondback, Rattlesnake, says Phoebe, Bobcat, Desert Cottontail, and coyotes can be found here. Let's see what we can see. So many birds out. Oh, it's so lovely. Oh my goodness. It's hard to see, but there's these cute little birds in all the bushes. Just flitting about, enjoying their morning. It's gonna be a lovely day. Loving the sun. Sunshine. And we are back to the truck. What a lovely little nature walk. Lovely. There you are. What you waiting for me? Okay, let's get the truck started so it warms up in here. Okay. You ready to go for the next adventure? Woohoo! Look at these guys just hanging out in this field. I really wish that my camera would zoom in a little bit more. They're pretty cool. Just a bunch of pterodactyls hanging out in a field. Oh, they're so pretty. And back there we've got some arch nemesis Canadian geese. These guys are cool. Neato. Neato, neato. Okay, this is weird because there's like all these birds out here and none of them are moving. Are they fake? Oh my gosh. Are they fake? It seems like they would be moving if they weren't fake. That's so funny. Oh my god, one moved. Is it? Why are none of them moving? I think it's just moving from the wind. That's so funny. What the heck? Fake news, everyone. Fake news. I'm so excited. I was just driving through the refuge and I saw tons of birds like American kestrels and Cooper hawks and cranes and ducks and geese and oh, I saw two roadrunners running across the street, and then they were running together, and then they stopped and looked at me like, are you gonna come down this way? So that was really fun. Yeah, oh my gosh, there were so many. I can't name them all. So these, oh my gosh, there is an egret flying right in front of me. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna try to get it. Can't get it. It's a little too far away now. This is my camp spot here. It's beautiful along the river. There's several other people here. Some of the camp spots they have these covered areas. It's BLM, which is public land. BLM stands for Bureau of Land Management, and these are free. So it's pretty neat. There's actually trash cans at these places. Unfortunately, there's a lot of dogs here too, so Ruby's not super keen on that, but as long as she doesn't see them, it's all good. And there is the Airstream. Just waiting for us to get back home. Looks like my neighbors from this morning have left. Either out to explore for the day or gone. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. Alright, we're back parked at home. You wanna go outside? Sad that she can't hear me, but I still talk to her. She's like, Mom, can we get out of the truck? It's actually pretty warm in here. It's pretty cold outside though. Alright, let's go. Oh, this place is not very good in the wind.